Good morning, Tahmina Khan is here in TKMaths is Fun. In today's video, we will see the explanation of a standard form. But before that, you need to recall few concepts, which is a part of the standard form. So let's have a recall of those concepts here. Now, 10 can be written as 10 power 1. It's the same thing. Agreed. 100. In 10 power, it can be written as 10 power 2. 1000 means 10 power 3, right? Now, next thing is, if I write 1 over 10, it is equivalent to 10 power minus 1 because of the law of indices. If you have 1 upon, suppose let's take a number here, suppose 7. 7 divided by 10 to the power 2. What does it mean? It means actually it is 7 divided by 100. So, if I apply here law of indices, considering this, it will become 7 into 10 power minus 2. Suppose I have 3 divided by 10 power 3. It will be equivalent to 3 multiplied by 10 power minus 3. So, in other words, whenever I will see something is written like this, it simply means 3 is divided by this number, right, with positive power. So I'm applying law of indices. Now, second thing, which you have done in the previous classes, previous years, let me change the color. For example, I take 4 multiplied by 10. It will be 40. If I take 23.7 multiplied by 10 power 2. Now 10 power 2 we know is equals to 100. So when you will multiply this number by 100, it will be 2370. Right? Let's take another example. Suppose 0.56 multiplied by 10 power 3. Still it is positive 3, right? Which means 1000. So decimal will move 3 places to the right. So what we have seen in these 3 examples, when we multiply by 10 power positive number, right, 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever, the decimal in the number will move to the right. Let's take another example. Suppose I have 4, 5, 6, 7 multiplied by 10 power 3. 10 power 3 is equals to 1000. Where is the decimal in 4, 5, 6, 7? In 4, 5, 6, 7, when there is no decimal seen in first class, it is at the end. Because you are multiplying by 10 power positive integer, decimal will jump right. Now this is what you have to remember, that it will jump right. So 1, 2, 3. So if decimal will come here, these places will be taken by zeros. So answer will be 4, 5, 6, 7, 000. Let's see the division also. As I said, it is extremely important to understand this for the standard form and ordinary form. Okay, so now for example, if I take same questions, 1, 2, 3. 3 examples, right? And this is the fourth one in case of division. Okay, so now if I have 4 divided by 10, which means 4 into 10 power minus 1. I have told you here this thing. You have to remember this. So because it is divided by 10, the decimal will jump left. Right now decimal is here. It will jump left. So when you divide or multiply, division mein decimal goes left, multiplication decimal goes right. So it will be 0.4. Let's take the second example which you have taken here. It is divided by 10 power 2. So you can write it as 2. Just a minute. So you can write it as 23.7 into 10 power minus 2. So when you will divide it, either you write it like this or you write it like this. It means it is division by 100. So decimal will jump 2 places left. 1, 2. It will come here 0.237. Right? So this is how I have tried to help you recall what you have learned in the previous years. Now we know standard form is a particular form of writing the number. Now this form is expressed here and it is told what is a and what is n. So a is any number between 1 and 9. If you see with 1, it is written equal to symbol, but with 10, equals to symbol is not here. So it means whatever the number will come here, right? This number can be from 1 to 9 according to this statement. Okay, so now we will see more example and then we will learn in the next video how to convert a number into a stationary form. I've taken here a few examples. Number 1 is 12, which is 1.2 into 10 power 1. Then 45,000 is 4.5 into 10 power 4. How we are getting it, I will explain in the next video. Right now, I want you to tell me, what do you notice here? What is very important thing about decimal standard form? That before decimal, the digit you have should be between 1 to 9. Right. So if you see here in all these 3 examples, before decimal, the digit is only one digit. 1, here 4, here 3. And in all these examples, if you see, it is 4 point something, right? So now, if I see the same example, different example, which is here, if I change it into standard form, what it will be? This decimal should be here after 3. How did we get it? I'll explain it to you. Don't worry. So in next video, we will go into the exercise. This video was just the introduction so that you can recall few concepts. The link of the other videos is in the